What if I told you you could build a fully functional AI-powered iOS app in just one day without writing a single line of code? Meet the future of app development. Hey there, I'm James, and this isn't just an app. I built it in 24 hours using AI, no code required, and today I'm going to show you how to do the same. Traditional app development takes months of work, endless coding, and headaches. But with revolutionary AI tools like Cursor, you can turn ideas into apps faster than ever. Let me prove it. Step 1, setup. Grab your Mac, download Xcode, and create a new project. Name it, save it, done in 60 seconds. Now here's the game changer, Cursor AI. This tool writes code based on simple prompts. Think of it as your AI developer partner. Step 2, code generation. With Cursor's Composer, you don't code, you command. Type a prompt like add a voice generator with language selection and watch the AI build it live. Changes sync instantly to Xcode, no guesswork, no errors. Step 3, real-time testing. Hit play in Xcode and your app runs on a virtual iPhone. Test features, tweak designs, and even integrate APIs like Firebase authentication, all through AI chat. I connected my app to the same backend as my web app in minutes. Results. One day, that's all it took to build this. And the best part? It's not a prototype. It's a fully functional and ready for the App Store. Ready to build your own app? Hit the subscribe button. I'll show you how to launch AI-powered apps faster than you can say hello world. Oh, and check out my videos on building the web version in just 3 days. The link is below. Subscribe for more AI hacks. Your next app is just one day away.